This video will discuss intestinal secretions, focusing on fluid secretion and mucus. Intestinal secretions include fluid secretion and mucus. Both the small and large intestines secrete fluid from crypt cells for lubrication. Intestinal fluid secretion is activated by bacterial and enterotoxins that cause secretory diarrhea. The key mechanism for fluid secretion involves the opening of chloride channels in the luminal cell membrane of crypt enterocytes. This image illustrates the intestinal secretion of sodium chloride and water. We will now look at the intestinal secretion of water and electrolytes in detail. There are two types of chloride channels, CAMP-activated and calcium-activated. CAMP-activated channels are stimulated by VIP, leading to passive sodium and osmotic water secretion. Calcium-activated channels are stimulated by acetylcholine and serotonin from the enteric nervous system. This is a summary of intestinal absorption and secretion. Enterotoxins from E. coli causing travelers diarrhea and Vibrio cholera cause an irreversible increase in CAMP in crypt enterocytes. Increased CAMP causes an irreversible opening of chloride channels on the luminal membrane. The movement of chloride ions into the gut lumen causes a secondary movement of sodium ions to maintain electrical neutrality. Water follows the osmotic gradient created by sodium and chloride, increasing fluid loss and causing severe diarrhea. Excessive loss of fluid from the gastrointestinal tract leads to dehydration and electrolyte and acid-base disturbances. Loss of gastric juice, which has high concentrations of H+ and K+, can lead to hypokalemic metabolic alkalosis. Excess fluid loss may cause metabolic alkalosis and hypokalemia. Since the pancreas, liver, ileum, and colon secrete bicarbonate, excessive loss can also lead to metabolic acidosis. The colon secretes potassium, so acidosis may be accompanied by hypokalemia. The small intestinal glands normally secrete 1 to 2 liters of slightly alkaline isotonic intestinal juice daily. The juice is mostly water and mucus, secreted by duodenal glands and goblet cells. Stimuli for intestinal juice production include hypertonic or acidic chyme, distension, or irritation of the intestinal mucosa. When the large intestine is intensely irritated or infected, the mucosa secretes large amounts of water and electrolytes. This dilutes the irritants and causes rapid movement of feces, often resulting in diarrhea and the loss of water and electrolytes. Intestinal mucus contains bicarbonate ions to protect the mucosa from acidic chyme in the small intestine and acidic end products of bacterial action in the colon. Small intestinal mucus is secreted by Brunner's glands in the duodenum and by goblet cells in the intestinal epithelium. Mucus secretion is also stimulated by parasympathetic vagal stimulation, a decrease in duodenal pH to 4 or less, and gastrointestinal hormones, especially secretin. Sympathetic stimulation inhibits Brunner's glands, which may lead to peptic ulceration. In the large intestine, mucus secretion is regulated by direct tactile stimulation and local nervous reflexes. Parasympathetic innervation to the distal 2/3 of the large intestine significantly increases mucus secretion and motility. Extreme parasympathetic stimulation due to emotional disturbances can lead to significant mucus secretion and frequent bowel movements of ropey mucus. Mucus in the large intestine protects the wall from excoriation and bacterial activity. It also provides an adherent medium for holding fecal matter together.